So let us discuss one mathematical physics problem from TIFR 2025 question paper. The problem states that the asymptotic expansion of the following function from for x tends to infinity, x tan inverse 1 by x is given by. So we need to find this function for x tends to infinity, right? So uh, let's first to find the asymptotic expansion of, we are to find, we are to find the asymptotic expansion as x tends to infinity of x tan inverse 1 by x, right? We have learned from the theory that tan inverse z equal to half ln 1 plus z by 1 minus z, right? So, but for the small z, the Taylor expansion is, but for small z, Taylor expansion is tan inverse z equal to z plus z cube by 3 plus z to the power 5 by 5 and so on, right? Since we put here z equal to 1 by x, right? So, so it becomes tan inverse 1 by x equal to 1 by x plus 1 by 3 s cube plus 1 by 5 x to the power 5 plus. Right, we're multiplying by x, we can write x tan inverse 1 by x is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3x square plus 1 by 5x to the power 4 dot. So this tan inverse, matches with our, this matches with our uh, option A of the given problem, right? So the option A is correct for our given problem. Hope this is clear for everyone. So thank you.